Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in France, Windows 10 got a funeral. Yes, some activists and environmentalists that really care for, keeping e-waste minimum. Well, they actually did a funeral for Windows 10 and signed a petition. 500,000 people have signed a petition, and what they are asking is to tell Microsoft that they should extend the Windows updates, security updates, and support until 2030. That it is a really bad idea to have Windows 10 end this year. It's going to create an enormous amount of e waste, and that there is no reason except for pure greed and money to not keep Windows 10 alive for a few more years. And this, of course, happened in front of the Microsoft offices in France. So there's quite a lot of people that took part in this event. And well, like I said, they are asking Microsoft to extend Windows 10 support for until 2030, saying that there's no reason to kill Windows 10 at all. Now, will that change anything? I don't think so, but it is interesting to see that there are people out there saying, well, just for the pure idea that you make billions of dollars and you make money, and also the fact that Windows 11 minimum requirements will make a lot of Windows 10 users buy a new PC, that it is terrible for the environment, and that shouldn't happen. So kudos to those activists. And will it change anything? I don't think so. But hey, you never know. If you don't try, you don't know what could happen next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.